I'm Stephen Rapundlo, President and CEO of the Michigan Biosciences Industry Association, or MichBio for short. West Michigan and Michigan in general are great places for our industry for a number of reasons. You need strong education and research institutions. Well, we have those. The prominence of an so-called R1 university like Michigan State, bringing its medical campus and its investigators and research and so forth here, really, I think is catalyzing a lot of innovation and so forth.
My name is Bob Kennedy. I'm the Chief Scientific Officer at Vestron. What we have succeeded in doing is introducing to the market a new class of molecules that very successfully control insects on high-value crops. So we hire entomologists, and we hire them from Michigan State. And we have collaborations with Michigan State in various crop trials to prove the performance of our product.
You need, of course, the talent. We're a leader, top 10 in the country for the number of scientists and engineers that are generated by our universities and colleges.
The people are here. The industry is actually here. You don't always seem to appreciate how much pharma is here. And of course, when you look at the cost of living in Michigan and compare it to San Francisco, Boston, Cambridge One Square, it's just night and day, and people can have comfortable lives and still do cutting-edge research.
I don't know that too many people appreciate the fact that Michigan is home to the first two pharma companies in the country. So Parke Davis started in Detroit in 1866, right after the Civil War, and Upjohn started in Kalamazoo in 1886 and was closely followed by Perrigo in 1887. This is an industry that's been around for a long time, and so with it comes experience, and as a result, an ecosystem has built up around it to support these bigger companies. So you have a lot of contract research types, not the least of which Grand River Aseptic. There's quite the ecosystem, albeit that it flies in many respects below the radar screen for most people. But it's here and it's been around for a long time.
There's a critical mass, and that critical mass does not exist everywhere. Another really important thing is access to airports that can get you to other parts of the country quickly. It's actually nice to be in the middle of the country, so you can go to either coast and come back in a day. If you are a collaboration-driven company with connections that you need to make to the coast, this is a good place to be.
There's a strength certainly in manufacturing. West Michigan certainly has a reputation in the medical device space, but there's just a real deep-rooted work ethic that, is not easily replicated. You can't just build something like that overnight. It's a culture. It's a societal sort of mentality that is just rooted in everything that everybody does around here, and that's enormously valuable, particularly for companies who want to not only stay here and grow, but for those that we'd like to recruit here. West Michigan really has a lot of that going on, and it's at a pace that really has been quite amazing, and I just don't see that stopping anytime soon.